Learn the effect on your spouse's annuity when you go back to work in retirement. Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today we're going to talk about the spouse annuity and the reductions that can come to a spouse annuity when you, as a retired railroader, go back to work, all right? Those earnings reductions that are going to affect the spousal annuity. So let's go through this. So what I'm focusing on in this video is just the Tier 2 portion, the reduction. So the regular employee annuity, right, gets reduced $1 for every $2 earned, assuming that they're working for their last previous employer, okay, in retirement. So let's say, to give you an example, they left the railroad, then they worked for a company, they started for the railroad retirement, and then continued to work for that company. That would be their last previous employer, in which case they would lose $1 for every $2 earned. Now, the important part there is the employee would lose that $1 for every $2 earned, and the spouse would lose that for $1 for every $2 earned. Now, another thing to remember is if the spouse is working, him or her start their railroad retirement and have that last previous employer, they're going to lose $1 for every $2 earned. Now that's up to 50% of the Tier 2 annuity, and that goes to infinity, all right? So there's no age restriction. Like with Tier 1, there might go up to full retirement age, you know, on the work reductions, that type of thing. But on the Tier 2, it goes past that, all right? So that's very, very important. Now, the other important part that not too many people know about is if the employee is working, let's say not for a last previous employer, said left the railroad, I'll give you an example, left the railroad, started the railroad retirement annuity, great, no Tier 2 deductions for them, but then works for a job, okay? The spouse will have the Tier 2 reductions in their annuity, no matter if it's the last previous employer. Any earnings there will reduce that spouse annuity there. So very, very important to understand the impact of working in retirement, not only on your annuity in railroad retirement, but it filters down to the spousal annuity, all right? So you have to understand those things so you don't get any surprises in retirement, especially as you're building that retirement budget. You got to know everything that goes in, and because the last thing you want to do is, oh, geez, I dropped, you know, $300 or $400 a month. That would not be good, all right? That could factor into your whole retirement financial plan. So I hope you found this video helpful. Very, very important subject. Reach out to me if you're at or near retirement. Go through the boarding for railroad retirement process. This is the type of stuff that we look at when we go through that process. All right, click if you like this video. Share this video with other, you know, railroad retirees that are going, so they'll understand this, how important this is. All right, and until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.